Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Lamborghini Huracan Performante in Need for Speed Heat. To get this high-performance vehicle, you'll need to achieve a certain reputation level, complete key story missions, and accumulate enough in-game cash. It's a straightforward process, but requires dedication to racing and evading the police. Let's dive into the specific steps to add this incredible car to your garage. The first crucial step is reaching rep level 28. You primarily gain reputation by competing in night events and successfully escaping police pursuits. High heat events offer significantly more reputation, but also come with increased risk. Remember to bank your reputation at a safe house before getting busted, or you'll lose a substantial portion of your progress. Consistent night racing is key here. While reputation is vital, certain vehicles, including the Huracan Performante, are also tied to story progression. You'll need to advance through the main campaign to unlock the ability to purchase this car. Keep an eye on your map for story mission markers and complete them as they become available. These missions often introduce new challenges and expand your access to the game's car roster. Once you've reached rep level 28 and completed the necessary story missions, your final step is to earn enough in-game currency, known as bank. Participate in day races and challenges to accumulate cash. The Lamborghini Huracan Performante typically costs around 232,000 bank. After gathering the funds, head to the in-game dealership to make your purchase and enjoy your new ride.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.